Hello guys, today I just want to make a mini vlog for the day. Right now I am on the way to work, so let's go. Just showing some road view as well towards my journey. This was so beautiful, so I couldn't stop capturing this beautiful view. So now I've reached my workplace. And here is a beautiful park in front of my workplace. So now I'm done with all my work, so I was just waiting my time to finish and I didn't know what to do. I was so bored. I kept on making the videos here. See the view, it's so beautiful. Just letting the time flies here. Back to car and just trying to play with this beautiful Snapchat filters. So now finally it's a break time and I came here in the beach nearby, which is just 5 minutes drive from our place. It was so beautiful. See the view? I kept looking there for a couple of seconds and then I walked towards it and just want to touch it. And it keeps moving. And then I went to pick up Cheetah as he wanted to join me. So we got some lunch for ourselves. Well, this is what we got. Okay, now driving back to my workplace and then...
Hello.
Cheese covered.
And then after lunch, I went back to work. Finally, I'm back home and I just had a shower. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. That's it for the day. And good night. Enjoying this beautiful night. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.